Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Chapter 4. Charlie's Birthday. The four grandparents hail Charlie with birthday greetings as he enters their room the next morning. He carries his birthday present, a Wonka Whipple Scrumptious Fudge Mallow Delight bar. Everyone leans in as Charlie caresses the packaging. Mrs. Bucket reminds Charlie not to be too disappointed if the golden ticket is not inside. He cannot expect to be that lucky. Everyone else supports Mrs. Bucket's conclusion. After all, there are only 4 tickets left. Grandpa Joe tells Charlie just to enjoy his birthday present. Though all the adults want to spare Charlie from disappointment, they also know that there is a small chance that the ticket will be inside. Grandpa Joe encourages Charlie to unwrap the chocolate bar so that he will not be late for school. Charlie begins to unwrap it slowly, then all of a sudden he tears away the wrapper and discovers that there is no golden ticket. Grandpa Joe chimes in that the bar was just what they all expected. Charlie smiles sadly and tries to offer some of his present to his family. Everyone staunchly refuses, even after Charlie tries again. Then he leaves for school. That evening, the 3rd and 4th golden tickets finders are in the newspaper. Holding the newspaper close to his face, his eyes are bad and he cannot afford glasses. Mr. Bucket reads the account of Miss Violet Beauregard's discovery. Standing on a chair in the middle of her living room, surrounded by reporters and flashing cameras, Violet Beauregard explains her find while furiously chomping on a piece of gum. She says that she is a gum chewer by trade who took a short break to find a golden ticket. Though her mother finds her gum chewing unladylike, Violet does not care, and she criticizes her mother for yelling at her all day. She explains the piece of gum currently in her mouth represents a new record, surpassing her best friend's old one, 3 months of non-stop chewing. She sticks it to the bedpost at night and begins chewing it first thing in the morning. Violet further explains that before she started chewing for the world record, she used to change her piece of gum daily, sticking it on a button in the elevator in order to give an unsuspecting a nasty surprise. She finishes by explaining that she is excited to go to Mr. Wonka's factory, and even more excited to get a lifetime supply of gum. After the grandmothers announce their disgust over Violet, Mr. Bucket goes on to read about the TV household. Though surrounded by reporters and the accompanying hoopla, Mike TV, the 4th ticket holder, sits in front of a huge television, watching a violent show. He is annoyed by the reporters and yells at them to stop interrupting his television watching. He wears 18 toy pistols strapped to his chest and jumps up and down, shooting them intermittently. The only thing he tells the reporters is how much he loves television. He watches all shows, even ones that do not have violence, but he loves monster shows the most. He wants to star in one of them. Grandpa George reminds everyone that only 1 ticket remains, and his wife declares that a beastly child will end up with it.